Good morning, grade 5. How are you today? Today is Tuesday, 31 March. As you know, in this day, always we take a grammar lesson. Our grammar lesson today is easy grammar lesson, but still you need to concentrate with me. The lesson today is this, that, these, and those. This, that, these, and those. Okay. The adjectives this, that, these, and those tell which one or which ones. Again, adjectives this, that, these, and those tell us which or which ones. For example, which apple? This apple. Which apple? That apple. Which one? These. Which one? Those. So notice here we are using this, that, these, and those to tell which one or which ones for singular and plural. Now we use this and that to modify singular noun. If we are talking about singular noun, we will use this and that. Singular, this is an apple. This is an apple. This is singular. That is an apple. Singular also. So with singular, we use this and that. For singular, what do we use? This and that. Now for plural, if I have more than one apple, what I will use to tell which one? I will use these or those. So these and those modify plural noun, and this, that modifies singular nouns. We use this and these to talk about something near. If something near to us, and if it's singular, I will use this. If something near to me and it's plural, I will say these. Example, this is my office. This is my office. I'm talking about one thing only, about the office. And the office is near to me, so I will say this. Now, these are available. I'm talking about 2 chairs. Those 2 chairs are near to me and they are plural, more than one. So I will choose these. I will choose these. These 2 chairs are available. Now, if I want to talk about objects that are far from me, when we want to use the singular, if something is far and I'm talking about only one thing, I will use that. That is my office building. What? Building. Yes. Or you can look now inside your room, choose any singular object and refer to this object with that. That is my book. Here, there. It's far from me and it's only one book. So I will refer to the book when I will say that. That. So that, we use that with singular form and for object. Now, those, we use those with what? To refer to far objects. When we have something far from us and it's plural and I have more than one, I will use those. Those are my colleagues. Colleagues, it means the people who are working with me. Or you can say, those are my friends. I'm so sorry. Colleagues. Those are my colleagues. Colleagues are people who that you are working with. Colleagues. So we use those with plural form, and when we have someone far from us or something. So again, this and these refer to objects that are close by, and that and those refer to objects far away. Clear? Notice here, class. Do not use here and there. Don't use here and there after this, that, these, or those. It's wrong to say this here, or that here, or these there, or those here. Wrong. Don't use here and there after this, that, these, or those. Let's see this example. This here article is about NASA. This here article is about NASA. Is it correct? Of course not. Why did we add here? This here, already this refers to objects, so no need to put also here. I will use only this. So this article is about NASA, correct. This article is about NASA, no need to add here or there. That there, how come that there? I'm mentioning that, no need to add there. That one, that there one is about new computer. It is wrong to put there after that. We can say that one is about new computer. So be careful, don't add here and there after this, that, these, and those. Clear? Another thing that you must pay attention to, don't use them in place of these or those. Don't use them in place of these or those. She wrote them article for Newsweek. She wrote them article in Newsweek. This is wrong sentence. You'll tell me, teacher, why? Because in this sentence, we should use those, not the adverb, not the pronoun them. Clear? Them is wrong here. We must use those. She wrote those articles for Newsweek. So we can't replace these and those with them. This will be totally wrong. Them is a pronoun. I can't replace it. I can't replace them with these and those. So be careful. Don't replace them with these and those. Don't replace the pronoun them with these and those. Okay? She wrote those articles for Newsweek. That's it. This is the lesson for today. Grade 5, I need you to open your books now to answer the questions.
Which page?
Open your book.
341.
341.
Page 341. 341, please.
Okay, 341.
341.
Teacher. Oh.